Welcome to Category Management Knowledge Group's course preview on Develop and Implement a Category Plan. In order to have successful implementation of a category plan, the plan needs to consider the retailer's overall strategies, be approved by senior management, and should be communicated to all those affected by the plan. Successful execution of the plan in stores is critical to the success of the entire plan. Here are the objectives that we'll cover in the full course. This course preview will demonstrate how we'll accomplish these objectives. Let's get started. Once a retailer has defined their overall strategy, including proper category definitions and segmentation, as well as assigning category roles, they need to develop and then implement the category plans. First, we will go through the basic steps in developing a category plan and ensure that it's both actionable and measurable. The elements that should be included in the category plan are links to the category and market assessment and to the retailer strategy, as well as the category tactics, including product assortment, product placement, shelving, and promotion and pricing. The category assessment needs to address some key questions. 1. What are the biggest areas of opportunity for the retailer versus the market? This is the market assessment component that feeds into the category plan. 2. The next focus is on each of the tactics, or category management fundamentals in the category. Product assortment, shelving, price, and promotion each need to be analyzed to understand how they're driving results in the category and where the opportunities exist. The key question here is, what are the tactical drivers that may be impacting segment performance? 3. We need to ask, what are the gaps between goals in the category versus current performance? 4. And finally, we need to understand which products help build traffic, incidents, transaction, and profit. We're going to get into the assessment and analytics in this course, but it's important to understand the key questions that need to be answered within these analytics. Once these questions are addressed in the assessment, the category plan can be developed. Many retailers have a category review process to develop the category plan. It starts with the gathering of data, sometimes through standard templates and data sources. Next, the category assessment is completed, with gap opportunities and tactic analysis completed with a resultant SWOT analysis. A preliminary category plan is then completed, with some type of final presentation being made at the retailer for approval. This structured process results in the output of a plan based on a rigorous analysis conducted as part of the category assessment. For some retailers, much of this category plan development is owned by a key vendor in the category, usually in the position of a vendor advisor or category manager. The category plan should result in insights and recommendations for the category. It should address all of the key areas of category management and will ultimately result in a category plan document. The key areas that should be included in the category plan include category strategies, gaps and opportunities, private label and category goals and targets. These dimensions provide the current situation for the category as well as the objectives for the future. Next, each of the tactics should be captured in the category plan, including product assortment, placing, pricing, and promotion. In this course preview, we'll review two of the dimensions in more detail. Category strategy should include how the category is defined, including how the category is segmented based on the consumer decision tree. It should capture the role of the category and any strategies at a category, segment, or subsegment level. And finally, a description of the target consumer should be captured, including demographics and key purchase behavior. For many retailers, private label has its own focus area, given the importance of this business. A deep understanding of private label results will help to identify opportunity areas across areas like category share, market share, competitive brands and segments, opportunity brands and segments, profitability, growth, and the target consumer. Based on the outputs from the assessment, the retailer needs to build a plan. In the full course, we walk you through an example of building a category plan based on the outputs from each of the different dimensions. In this sample plan for the laundry category, I've captured the category role, some highlights from the market assessment, and a consumer profile. The last 4 dimensions in the category plan relate to the category tactics, including product assortment, placing, pricing, and promotion. Product assortment strategies answer the question of what a retailer wants to include in the category's range or mix. Different retailers have different ways to determine the right assortment based on comparison with competitive variety, the target consumer, the category role, new product listing requirements, product deletion requirements, variety versus duplication considerations, shelf capacity, and retailer strategy. The resultant outputs from the product assortment include: what is the right number of core listings for the category? What is the dollar opportunity if the retailer fixed distribution on the core items? What items should be kept, listed, delisted? Once we've addressed the important questions on product assortment, we need to capture those key opportunities and build them into the overall category plan, as in my example for the laundry detergent category. This can include things that need to be completed and targets and measures. We've now given you a preview of our certified course on Develop and Implement the Category Plan, which will help you to ensure that you include all of the important components in your plan, and that you consider all of the requirements to ensure strong execution of the plan in stores. There are many options for you to choose from if you're interested in purchasing this course. The online course is available for purchase through Our House, which is Category Management Knowledge Group's state-of-the-art online training center. If you'd prefer, we can also run a private webinar for up to 200 people for a cost of $3,000, or a live session at a national or team meeting. Or if you're from a larger organization where many people would want to access the course, we can also make the course available for your use within your own internal learning management system. Your choices are limitless. Return on investment of your data purchase is paramount. For the millions of dollars some organizations spend on data, you want to know that the data is being optimized and maximized. Purchasing data gives your organization facts and data. Welcome to Category Management Knowledge Group's course preview. But you shouldn't allocate your whole budget to scenarios. And by adding in software, the category management continuum, you're providing them with information from the retailer. Usually this requires additional budget dollars to pay for the software and tools. For many organizations, the data and software comes with training. And unfortunately, many believe that training is enough to develop skills to properly use the data, but it's not. You need to provide applicational training that will help your organization move from data to insights, and teach them how to then turn those insights into action. Not only category management needs to have these skills. Sales, marketing, space management, and other departments require these analytic skills to make more strategic and fact-based decisions in their roles. And to move to breakthrough insights, the right analysis at a much deeper level needs to be done. This is where the specialists do their work, where category management and shopper marketing can complete the in-depth analysis to find those breakthroughs. You need to set aside part of your data budget to pay for the corresponding applicational training to increase capability on your team and in your organization ongoing. This will help you increase data return on investment and, more importantly, Move your organization to a more strategic and fact-based approach. At Category Management Knowledge Group, we can work with you to create solutions that will help you move your organization to a more strategic, fact-based place with increased return on investment for data purchased. So, where do you go from here? If you're interested in purchasing this certified course or working with us to help you determine multifunctional training opportunities for your organization, that will ultimately lead to increased return on your data investment, please contact us. We don't believe in a one-size-fits-all approach and will consult with you to ensure that what we deliver meets your specific needs and business issues. We hope to hear from you soon. Have an excellent day.